You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul.
Alright, I'm back, and the wig has been drying for a long time now, probably like an hour. So I need to figure out how I'm gonna curl it. I curled it about 2 weeks ago, but this was the first wig I was curling that day, and I didn't do a good job, so the curls have dropped a lot. So styling this wig that I made using hair from Aligrace. This is body wave hair, and I have like all the information of what kind of hair and the lengths and everything. I'll put that in the description box for you guys. So I made this wig 2 weeks ago when I was on spring break. By the time this video goes up, it's gonna be like 3 weeks, but I really took my time with customizing the hairline, and I feel like it definitely, you can definitely tell because the hairline looks really good to me. And I told you guys I did curl this wig 2 weeks ago, but the curls didn't look good, so I had to put them back in there. This texture is very like silky. It does hold a curl, but this texture is definitely on the silky side. So this is a curl wand that I used, and I used this barrel from the 6-in-1 kit that I got from Amazon. Yeah, so I'll have the link to where you can purchase the 6-in-1 curl wand kit if you're interested. Yeah, so I didn't do much baby hairs, and that's been like the thing with my wigs. I've just toned it down with the baby hairs, and it just looks more natural. You don't necessarily need all that baby hair if you like customize the front of your wig pretty good from the jump. Now, I don't think I'm ever going to use like Ghost Bond or any other actual glue, just because I have very sensitive skin and I don't like wearing my wigs overnight. I don't want to use actual adhesive because I have very sensitive skin. And I was watching, I forgot her name, she's a really pretty YouTuber, and she was talking about how she would wear frontals all the time, and then her forehead started to get a lot lighter than the rest of her face, and it took like 2 or 3 months for her skin to recover. And I was like, that's not happening. So I'm glad she put that video up. So I don't know if she was just using glue or she was using Got to Be Glued as well. So I'm gonna kind of go back and forth between frontals and closures, because closures still look really good too. They're just not as like versatile as frontals are. But yeah, I feel like this looks really good. The hair texture is nice, but I do feel like the next time I get some body wave hair or something like that, I want something that's more textured than this, because textured hair holds a really good curl. This is definitely more on the silky side. The luster of it, even though it's silky, looks very like soft and natural. And I'm gonna go take some pictures in natural lighting for you guys so you guys can see how everything looks, because I do realize I have on a black shirt with this black hair. Shedding, I do have some shedding, but I used the hot glue gun method, of course, and I did customize the frontal a lot, so I do have some shedding. No tangling. With this texture, my hands just glide through this hair. I think this is really nice hair, and I'm gonna have to update you guys because this looks really good. This looks really good. I'm gonna have to try with my frontals to do like different styles, because the way I styled this looks very similar to how I styled the wig that I made from Lackey Hair, just a side part. But I'm a side part kind of girl, so that's why I did that. Yeah, so if you are interested in this hair, I will have links where you can purchase this from Aligrace in the description box. I want to thank Aligrace for sending me this hair. I'm very happy with how it turned out, and I hope it does like hold up really well. And I want to thank you guys for supporting my channel. If you are interested in this makeup look, I will have this on my channel. I forgot to give you guys a 360, so this is where it falls on me in the front. I didn't cut this hair, so it's pretty long. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.